This program is brought to you by Rhode Island 4-H. 4-H could be a perfect opportunity for you. 4-H is open to youth between the ages of 5 and 18. 4-H is a leader in youth development, and we offer numerous learning activities through hands-on opportunities. Our motto is to make the best better. If you are interested in joining Rhode Island 4-H, Google Join Rhode Island 4-H or go directly to the link provided. For this activity, you'll need lemon juice, whole milk, markers, a hair dryer or something to apply heat with, paper, and Q-tips. To write your lemon juice message, you'll want to dip your Q-tip in the lemon juice. Following that, on your paper, write whatever you want to. Once your lemon messages have dried, you'll want to apply heat to reveal the message. The science behind this message being revealed is due to a chemical reaction. Lemon juice, and many other fruit juices, contain carbon compounds. Carbon compounds are colorless when dissolved in liquid. When heat is applied, these carbon compounds break away, releasing the carbon. When the carbon comes in contact with air, it will turn brown. This process is oxidation. Writing your hidden message with the milk is very similar to the lemon juice. You're going to use the Q-tip and write or draw whatever you would like on the piece of paper. Make sure you let your milk message dry, just like you did with the lemon juice. To reveal your milk message, you'll want to take your marker and draw over your message. The science behind the revealing of this hidden message is due to the fat that is in milk. For this experiment, I used whole milk. And as you can see where I wrote my message, it's very visible. This is because the marker is not able to go over the fat molecules in the milk as easy as it is to go over the plain paper.